I find committing to these audio parts is a big thing in my workflow. It allows me to stick to an idea, and you know, if it's not working within 5 minutes or I go off it, then I'll just delete it. But I find, yeah, the commitment is quite a big thing. If you've got soft synths that you can tweak around with, you can spend hours and potentially waste hours adjusting filters, tiny amounts that in the end don't really matter that much. At this stage, it's just about getting ideas in and getting the groove going and just getting into the flow of it. So I'm going to go for fab filter and just knock some of the bottom end out. Leave some room for the kick and the bass. Yeah, 150-ish hertz, that shouldn't really be affecting the bass or the kick drum. Now there's something else in there that I'm not too sure about, so I'm going to use this preview function on the fab filter to isolate the frequencies and scan through and see where it is that's annoying me. Now before I move on, I can hear there's a click in there as well. So as I did on the last loop, I'm just going to tidy it up with this volume function. Yeah. The loop is the same on both sides, so I'm just going to highlight this first 4 beats and duplicate. There we go. That's a little bit neater.